Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 2. In this lesson, we are going to visit Amazon forest. Amazon forest is a rainforest, and rainforests are known as the lungs of this planet because they absorb a large amount of carbon dioxide and they have more species of animals and plants. So let's see what's there in the lesson. So in this topic, in the rainforest, we are going to explore Amazon forest. We are going to study about different species that live in rainforest. We are going to help Charlie in understanding a game that is played by his friend Mia. Then we are going to prepare Mr. Nelson so that he can visit a forest. Then we are going to meet Alex, Patrick and Phoebe once again, but this time in jungle. We are going to read different articles about Bengal tiger, king cobra, and a special kind of species of a spider. We are also going to explore Amazon, but not this time for a species, but this time for reading and learning about a hidden tribe. And last, we are going to read some facts about rainforests. Rainforests are endangered because of climate change and global warming. So we are going to see what we can do and how are they endangered. You are going to listen and read a text about Amazon forest. While you will be listening and reading, you will come across several names of countries through which the Amazon forest runs. So listen to the names of the countries very carefully because you will come back to this activity and you are going to guess the names of the countries.
The Amazon rainforest is very large. It's called the Amazon because of the river that runs through it. The rainforest crosses 9 South American countries: Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, French Guiana, and Suriname. The biggest part of the Amazon rainforest is in Brazil.
Now you are going to guess the names of the countries through which the Amazon forest runs. Fill the given spaces with the correct alphabets so that you can complete the country's name. Let's explore some of the animal and plant life that grow in rainforest. The first is anaconda. Anaconda is a type of snake. It's very dangerous and it can kill anyone by wrapping itself all around the body. It's very heavy, but it's not poisonous. Then the second one is anteater. Anteater is a very different kind of mammal. It has no teeth but a specialized tongue that allows to eat 30,000 ants and termites. The third one is sloth. Sloth is known for its slowness of movement. They spend their time hanging on trees. They eat fruits, leaves, and lizards. The fourth one is jaguar. Jaguar are big cats. They are from the cat family. They are carnivorous, but they have no specific choice of meat. They are excellent swimmers and they have interesting print, or you can say pattern, on their body. The fifth one is toucan. Toucan is a bird. It looks very innocent, but it's very noisy. It has a long beak which helps toucan to eat fruits. The last one is pool. Pool is a water body and it is found naturally and it can also be man-made. The seventh is branch. Branch are parts of trees. They help and support leaves and fruits. Then number 8 is creeper. Creepers are plants with weak stem. They need support to grow. They grow along the ground or along the wall, or sometimes they grow around another plant. The last one is beak. Beak is the hard, pointed part of a bird's mouth. Now you are going to read and listen a text. While reading and listening, find out the answers of these following questions. The first is, what animals can children see? Number 2, what's the difference between a tiger and a jaguar? Number 3, what do sloths eat? And number 4, why does Phoebe tell Patrick not to touch the frog?
Read, listen, and answer the questions.
The Amazon rainforest is very large. It's called the Amazon because of the river that runs through it. The rainforest crosses 9 South American countries: Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, French Guiana, and Suriname. The biggest part of the Amazon rainforest is in Brazil.
Whoa! It worked! We escaped from Pompeii. Just in time, too.
So, it's definitely a gate that sends us through time.
We're time travellers. Wow, that's amazing.
I don't feel so good. I'm a bit dizzy. Where are we now? And are we in the present, the past, or the future? Well, we're definitely in a jungle. I think we're in India. In India? How do you know? Look at that pool. There's a big cat next to it. I think it's a tiger. Looking at the big branch near the water. Yeah, I see it. But that isn't just a branch. It's also a snake. A big snake.
That snake is an anaconda. And that isn't a tiger. It's a jaguar. Tigers have stripes. Jaguars have spots like this one. I think we're in South America, in the Amazon rainforest.
Aren't you clever? So what's that animal hanging from the other branch?
That's a sloth.
Are they dangerous?
Don't be silly. They only eat leaves.
And that bird with the colourful beak, what's that?
It's a toucan.
So how do you know about all these animals?
I've got a book on the Amazon rainforest.
Hey, look at this beautiful frog on the leaf.
Don't touch that. It's poisonous.
Thanks. I didn't know that.
Okay, let's get going. We have to find a way out of this place.
Now you are going to give a word for each statement. Number 1, it's a place with water. Number 2, you use these when you climb a tree. Number 3, they hang from trees and you can swing on them. Number 4, it's a very lazy animal that lives in trees and eats leaves. And number 5, birds eat with them.